Right, let's talk about this journeys tab, right? Let's talk about journeys being let's read it. Just a hassle-free solution for automating your marketing actions, sending targeted emails, and streamlining activities. Build journeys by defining triggers, process, and actions that should be performed at the end of the journey. So the trigger is define the condition for leads to enter. So where are they coming in? It might be a Facebook ad. It might be an email newsletter click. It might be something that you're doing marketing wise, even just a regular post. Process, define actions to be performed on the leads entering the journey, create action series, segment by setting up conditions, and more. So we're going to drop them in one place and we're going to try and move them through a journey. And then we're going to get to the ending journey, which is cover the action that are to be performed on leads before they exit the journey. So as they get to the end of the journey, there's going to be actions that are going to be performed to put them into some sort of funnel or some place where someone's going to reach out to them. So this could be, here's our new report on 12 things that'll make your business better. They come to your website. You want to click on somewhere that give you an email, puts them into the lead, and enters them in an email list, right? But you're going to walk them through a journey. That's obviously why it's got to make sense, right? So with journeys, send welcome series of new sign-up leads, target and nurture leads based on their activities, send offers and wishes of birthday and anniversaries, which is cool, right? Here's a discount code for your happy birthday or something like that, or you've been with us for 10 years. Promote events and follow up with registrars. Send post sales follow-ups, cross-sell your products. So it's even a journey afterwards, isn't it? With send post sales. Are you happy? How did you get on? Anything we can do? Are you looking for anything else? Build customer retention series and re-engage with dormant leads. So people you haven't heard from a while, you may put some sort of journey in place to try and reactivate them to be a lead. Then there's obviously some takeaways and some insights on how to do it. So really cool. Probably a big part of this is making sure people's journeys are correct, right? And again, we'll talk through it in training, and there'll be links in the description for training on how to exactly do it. I'm just introducing you to the features right now, yeah?